Hey everyone, want to create a landing page in Framer? Framer is a powerful no-code website builder that makes it easy to design fast, responsive, and professional landing pages for businesses, products, portfolios, events, and marketing campaigns. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create a landing page in Framer in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Framer account and click New Project. Yeah, you can begin with a blank canvas or choose a landing page template to save time. Next, create the hero section at the top of your landing page. Add a strong headline, a short description, a call to action button, and a high-quality image or illustration to immediately capture visitors' attention. Now build the rest of your landing page by adding sections for features, benefits, testimonials, pricing, frequently asked questions, or contact information. Keeping each section simple and focused helps visitors understand your message quickly. Use Framer's visual editor to customize fonts, colors, spacing, images, and layouts. Yeah, keeping your branding consistent creates a more professional appearance and improves the user experience. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to ensure your landing page looks great on every device. Adjust layouts and spacing wherever necessary to improve readability and usability. Once everything looks the way you want, click Preview to test your landing page, then select Publish to make it live. Yeah, Framer lets you publish on a free subdomain, and eligible plans also support custom domains. To improve your landing page's performance, use a clear headline, one primary call to action, optimized images, concise content, and simple navigation. These best practices can help create a smoother experience for visitors, and that's how to create a landing page in Framer in 2026. Whether you're promoting a product, collecting leads, showcasing your portfolio, or launching a new business, Framer provides everything you need to build a modern, responsive landing page without coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.